Okay, this is what the sound of birds shitting. Ugh. If they fly over, I know you can hear them. There's a bazillion. It is raining bird shit out here. If only you could see all the bird shit. And if I cared, I would go get the gun, but all that does is piss them off more. And then they, oh, look at them all. Doo-doo-doo. It is the birds. This is my Alfred Hitchcock light. Look at them. This will go on all night. Birdies! Birdies! Look at them. There's just like a gazillion of them. Oh, there's a good one. And it is literally raining bird shit right now. People are slamming pans. That doesn't work. Look at them all. Here's somebody clicking pans together. Yeah, right. Yeah, dude, that is so not working. And if I stepped outside, I'd be covered in shit in no time.